Okay, so today we're starting with a word that I know you know. This base. What is that? Can you spell it out for me, this base?
Love.
And spell it out?
Love spells love.
Okay. Now, what would happen if we added one of the suffixes that you see printed in red? Pick one. Okay, now spell everything out.
Loves.
And what does that spell?
Loves.
Can you use that in a sentence?
Like June loves her nana.
Oh, I like that sentence. Okay, now let's take the S off. Can you find another suffix you might want to try? ED for love.
Okay.
And you're going to have to cover up the E when you join them.
Okay. So. Okay. LOVE plus. No.
Yes, no, that's right. You were right.
LOVED spells love.
Actually, it's like this. LOVE plus ED. And then we have to replace that E. Okay?
Okay.
So go ahead.
LOVE plus ED spells. I don't know how to keep this thing out. Spells loved.
Okay.
Loved.
Loved. Can you use that in a sentence?
June loved her pink bear.
That's a great sentence. Now, I noticed when you put the ED onto this word, you covered up the other E. That's because ED starts with
An E.
a vowel. Yes, E is a vowel. Do you remember all the vowels?
Sometimes, no.
A,
E,
E,
Y-O-U. A-E-I-O-U, and sometimes Y.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, now let's remove the ED suffix and let's see what else you could add.
Okay.
Of these other suffixes we have.
Okay.
What one do you want to add next? So what are you taking next?
Lovely.
Okay.
Lovely.
All right, spell out the word some.
Okay. LOVE plus
L-Y.
L-Y and lovely.
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 Very
Lovely.
good. Lovely. Can you use lovely in a sentence?
June has a lovely nana.
Well, thank you. I like your sentences today. Okay. All right. Please remove the ly suffix, and there's one left there. Okay. ing.
ing. Okay.
So spell out your word some.
LOVE
Plus.
plus ing. It says
Loving.
loving.
Now remember, this has that suffix, that ing, starts with what? I. A vowel. That means it's going to replace the E in love. So that is how we spell loving.
Loving.
Very good. And can you use loving in a sentence?
Loving. June has a loving nana.
You have a loving Nana. I am so lucky. Okay. Now, before you mentioned a bigger word you thought you could make, combining two of these suffixes. Which one are we going to put on first?
B.
Yes. the ing.
I.
And remember, because the I is a vowel, it's going to replace that final E. Okay, what word do we have there?
And then.
Wait, before we put on the ly, what word do we have?
Loving.
Loving. Very good. All right, now you wanted to add the ly. Now what do we have?
Lovingly.
Lovingly. That's a beautiful word. And can you
And-
use it?
June has a lovingly Nana.
Or I might use it to say,
Love.
June looked lovingly at her mama this morning.
June looks lovingly at her Nana today.
Very good, June. You have just looked at 5 different words
5?
that
wasn't
all
4?
have the same base,
That wasn't
love.
4?
Well, you looked at loves, loved, loving, lovely, and lovingly. That's 5.
Thank you for watching.